Hello YouTube. We had the GPS module through and I've had some fun. I've been at this for about 4 hours and the trusted laptop running Linux Mint 19 I can't get iNav to run on it. Betaflight does not like this setup. I don't know why. It's probably something that I'm doing. Alright, so don't be panicky about it. Alright, let's run through this a little bit now. We got the 2212 13 tooth 1000 kV motors, and they're going to be spinning 10-inch props as per the other video. Still have the BL Heli ESCs on you. It's an Omnibus F3 all-in-one flight controller. Right, now I followed JC's Project Blue Falcon guide for setting up the F3, and he reckoned not to use this wire, the live wire on the 5-volt rail. Alright, as you can see, there's only one of them connected, and use this wire here because it fries the board controller. Now then, I connected it with my little variable power supply, that if you short out or if something goes wrong, if you watch the right, it's current limiting. Thank you very much. Game on. It's very, very good. Now then, and we're running 30 ampere Cs. This is the, so I can get the glare off, an NZ GPS, cheapest one, again following the build. It's the cheapest one I could find on eBay. Alright, and then apart from the XSR receiver, that again was the cheapest one I could find on eBay. Alright, came to £11. Right, it is an absolute rock bottom budget build. Alright, now then, I've managed to get iNav running, but not on my trusted laptop. Hello guys, reflection in the old see, grey-haired 61-year-old fart. I've had to use that, and I've had hell's delight trying to get iNav to work on there. Now then, for the uninitiated, and I'm going to load this while it's fresh in my mind, alright? It would not, this is running Windows 7, 32-bit. It's not the biggest of computers, but it has an excellent battery life. 7 hours of battery life. Brilliant. Right. Plug it in. Go into hold the boot button down. No DFU mode. Not there. Not working. Don't want to know. I'm going to bed with this one. All right. It's right. Now apparently Zadig will do the trick, but you have to use it right. When you put it into the DFU bootloader mode, STM32 bootloader, go into Zadig, and in the top line where it says list all devices, you'll find the STM bootloader. Load the driver for that for Windows. Thank you very much. Right, unplug, restart it, thank you very much, and it will, when you go into bootloader mode with the button pressed on the flight controller, it will go into DFU mode. On this particular one, it came up as COM7. Alright, now then, when I flashed the firmware and exited that out, when I went to connect into iNav, it did not want to know. Now, it was originally running the Zadig driver, the Win USB, I can't remember that, it was the Win USB one, right? And it got Win USB, replace driver, not replace driver. So I systematically went through each of the the option. There's a pull down option from that driver to this driver. Pull down the menu there, and I went through it systematically. Try to connect. The last option was CDC. And when I selected that one, it kicked in and I had iNav recognize the board and thank you very much. All right, so that cured my problem with iNav connecting in. We've managed to set up the Tyrannus with the GPS, and inside my little room by here I've had up to 7 satellites coming in on the little unit here. But that's listed on eBay as a U-Blocks. So I selected U-Blocks on the drop-down menu for the GPS protocol. Not working. Tried U-Block 7. Not working. Tried a different COM port. Not working. In desperation and what the hell, I'm not losing anything, I tried NEMA. This is a NEMA protocol GPS unit, and it kicked in and it worked fine. 7 satellites showing, thank you very much. Happy as a sandlark. So that's where I am at the moment. I've also calibrated the accelerometer, did all the blah blah blah, do this way, that way, and everywhere other ways. And I've had the motors running. Haven't had props on yet. Haven't got into any of the modes. I've got some other things I've got to set up on there first. I've got to set up the GPS flight modes and so on. But I'm still learning those, so hey ho. There you go. That's where we are at present. That's an update on the S500 Quadcopter GPS absolute rock bottom budget build. From an absolute novice. Alright? Pleasure speaking to you. And I'll see if I can get a video of a maiden on there. But it's a little difficult when you're trying to do the radio controls and do a bit of filming. So I'll see what I can do. Okay. Bye-bye and have a nice day wherever you are. And leave your comments below. Bye-bye.